In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 easy ways to increase your Shopify sales. The first is ShopPay. ShopPay is Shopify's native payment solution. It's fully integrated with the Shopify platform. The real benefit of ShopPay is it saves the user's details so they can just put in their email and their addresses are just automatically served up. This makes it super easy for them to buy things. Now, Shopify reckons that ShopPay has a 72% better conversion rate. Now, that's obviously according to Shopify. Is that true or not? Who knows? But it's certainly an awful lot easier to use, and it's all integrated with the Shopify system. I think it works really well, and it's really worth using that above other card systems. You should offer ShopPay alongside things like PayPal and perhaps even Amazon Pay, but I think it's better than using another card system like Stripe.
So let's say how ShopPay works in practice. I've added a product here to a Shopify cart. You can see the payment options here. So you can only have one credit card payment option on your website, and if that's ShopPay, it will appear here. And this site also supports PayPal and GPay. So if we click checkout, if the user has already bought something through ShopPay and they enter their email, I'm entering my email here, it'll ask for security code. And it will use that information to automatically populate with your details. It's obviously a very quick and easy way of paying for things and has a very good conversion rate.
Now, up to 70% of carts on shopping sites are abandoned. One way of avoiding it is to send abandoned cart emails. So what that means is someone buys something, they put in their email address, they leave the site, you have their email address, you would send them an abandoned cart email, and the average recovery rate for Shopify is 7%. So if you're not doing this, you're leaving 7% of orders just lying on the shelf. Abandoned cart emails are free to send from within Shopify. If you go to settings, it can all be set up.
Abandoned cart emails are managed under automations, and then abandoned cart emails by Shopify. These are free to send out. They can be turned on here at the bottom. You can see here that we've had 44 orders at a 23.2% order conversion rate from sending these emails out. If we click edit settings, then we can actually customize the email at the bottom here, though you have to do it in HTML.
One of the main reasons for cart abandonment is customers discover new charges when they go to the checkout. So for example, they go through the whole shopping process, they get to the checkout, they find the shipping's really expensive and they go away. Shopify's research shows that 66% of customers expect free shipping, so that's more than half. I have found that adding free shipping to products is a great way of selling more. Conversion rate goes up a lot. You can either do that by including the shipping in the price, which is my experience or my preference, or you can set a threshold, say free shipping over 50 quid. It makes it much easier for customers to understand what they're paying, so they're more likely to complete the purchase. If you're paying for traffic, for example for Google Ads, having a higher conversion rate will push down your advertising cost of sale and you will make more money. Google Shopping Ads are by far the easiest and quickest way of getting traffic to your site. There's both a paid and a free element. You get the paid ads which appear on the top of the search in any Google search page. And there's if you go to the shopping tab on Google search, then you get a certain amount of free listings on there and you'll get a certain amount of free traffic from that. The way the ads are managed is that there's a feed that goes from your Shopify store into Google Merchant Center. That is used to create the ads, and you set a return target. So you set a return on advertising spend target for your ads. So if your target was 1,000%, you would want to get 10 times as much sales as you spend on advertising. It's all very quick and easy to set up. It's getting more and more automated all the time, and it's a super way of driving traffic to your site.
Google Shopping Ads appear at the top of the shopping results page. Here you see I've done a search for Jano Llama, and you can see my company's results appear here. Yay! They also appear under the shopping tab. So we have the paid results at the top. And down here we have these so-called free results. If I click on compare 10 prices here, these are the free results, and you can see all the results for this product. If someone clicks on this, it doesn't cost, but if someone clicks on one of the search results, then the merchant will be charged that at a cost per click.
Now, the holy grail is getting free traffic to your site from Google and other sources. SEO is search engine optimization, which is the process of configuring your site and getting links into your site so you get free traffic. Some businesses get up to 50% of their traffic from search engine optimization. It is hard to do, though it is a worthwhile process. And even if you just get a little bit of traffic from SEO, it makes a big difference. You drive traffic by having high quality keyword-rich descriptions which get picked up by Google, constantly creating more content and getting links into your site. It's a very big topic and I can't really cover it all here today, but SEO is something which is very much worth spending time on.
The search page is made up of both paid and free content. So at the top here, these are the Google search ads, and you'll also see some other ads at the bottom, probably see ad. These are all paid ads. But this bit in the middle is the so-called natural results, and if someone clicks on this, it's free. So by creating good content on your site, you can get good positioning and free traffic from Google. The most important parts of the site to optimize are the title, the description, and also something called the meta title. So if we look at the code, you can see this bit here, which is that's the so-called meta title. The title is not immediately visible to customers, but it is what appears in the tab at the top of your browser. By coding keywords relevant to your product in these places on the page, you will stand a better chance of appearing in searches relevant to your product on Google and driving natural search traffic.